Hi viewers, I received an unexpected package in the mail the other day. So let's get straight on and open this with my Elk Ridge and see who it's from. The gloves may of course give you a clue. Oh, we have a note. CCT, it's been too long my friend. Enjoy these gifts from the Hustlins. I think you'll really like the tea. Oh, British friendship. Thanks my friend. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, it's a very posh looking. Oh, I should be looking at the silver first, shouldn't I? But we've got to see what's in here. It's a very snazzy container. I think he sent me some weed. Either that or rabbit droppings. I'll check that out in a minute. See what else we got in here. Oh, the Indian head in copper. Oh my god, loads of goodies, loads of goodies. Let's see what this one is. Ah, yeah. Oh, brilliant. Yeah, I haven't got any of these, my friend. The Golden State Mint. Oh, excuse my stomach rumbling there. I hope that didn't sound on camera. And what's this? We might need the knife to open that. Ah, a Kennedy round. No, I definitely haven't got that either. Or the Silver Shield snake. Excellent, excellent. And moisturising cream. Is that for my hands? Probably. And what's this? Ooh. Tupelo honey. Excellent. I'll be giving that a try later. Made in the USA. See what else he's got. Stress. Yeah, I need that. Yeah, I certainly need that. I'll tell you about that when we chat. Oh, there's another copper round in there. Oh, Canadian maple leaf round. Boost powers. Yeah, I'll definitely need them along with the stress relief. Wheatgrass tea. Oh, Chinese herbal formula to clear your lungs. Yeah, I'll need that too. And a beauty bar. Oh, I definitely need that. Thank you my friend, awesome package of goodies, and thank you all for watching, and remember, keep calm and keep stacking. For those of you that were wondering about my unusual table, yes, I am a prepper. I'm using toilet paper as my table and kitchen roll as well.